Okay, let's go. Let's check it out. All right, so here's our guy. I put the bottom plate on. Here he is. And let's... Not bad, but check this out. This is what we want. See that? He goes when I push him and let him go. That's important. That is what we want. That's the effect that we want on this guy, is that he can go without binding all by himself down the track a little bit. Now, here's the guy that we did so far. He has got a bind somewhere because he stops. He stops. Okay? And the other bind's the same place. If there's enough weight on him, he doesn't bind at all. But I don't think the locomotive has enough weight to make it so that he never binds. Although, because this is a vertical gear, and here, check this out. Here's our differential. Okay, because this guy is a vertical gear guy, it's not likely that he's going to stop. But we want him to be smoother. Okay, so let's go in and see what we did then with that green wire. This green wire right there. See that? That's jewelry wire. Those were the guys we were going to use. But then we went ahead and did that. You see that green wire? Yep, right there. Okay, that green wire right there takes the place of the other guy, who is right here. Do you see here? Let's take a look. Let's find a pointer. We need a pointer for this. Let's take a look. Right there. Right there. That is the top of this part of the driver. Fits in this thing and holds him up. And he stays in place then. And then what we did, like I said, we were going to do something. We tried those guys. They weren't good enough. Okay, we'll use them when we dress this up and camouflage the fact that, as one of you guys pointed out, this is a super old, ancient set of cylinders. Okay, they're not like that in this time period here, but our time period is the future. But in the future, it's not going to be this way. It's going to be a lot more like that right there. I'm going to try to camouflage that a little bit. Okay, so, but here we go. I put this green wire here. You can barely see him. And I've got him in here and I haven't painted him or nothing yet, so you can see what I did. Because what we need to do right here is get in there. Okay. Let's get right in there. All right, now, here's that piece right here on the bottom that slides back and forth. Let's see if I can slide him. See that? He slides. And he slides just like that. Okay, this part of the drivers right there has to be held up. Just like this guy is held up, because, as you can see, he is... Wow, that's nice, because his drivers are held perfect. Well, I don't have that advantage because we don't have that front set of cylinders. We had to make our own. And so what I got here is I got that green little arm here. That holds up this rod. That's how he's held up. And we'll find the bind. But that rod holds up so that green wire holds up that operating rod, so it does not fall down. And other than that, he does work. Actually, he works pretty good. I think we can do better, but he works really good. So our thing here is a success. And because I screwed it in here, now I can take it off. And it's brass. I'm going to have to primer it before I paint it. It's got to be painted with the sewer paint. because the sewer paint is going to be the basis of all of the paint we do on this Cab Forward, because it makes an excellent, it's not just a color, it's also an excellent primer, where if I wanted to make this thing right here, if I wanted to make it like dressed up display museum quality, I could do that. If I want to dress it up in any other way, I can do that too. Okay, enough of that, because I got a surprise for you. If you've been here for this, check it out. Shadow brought his big boy over. This is going to be, this one is only DC. I haven't even taken it out of here yet. Now, okay, so part of it's broke right there. But whatever it is, it doesn't matter. It's a Rivarossi. It's the same as, there's our guy Troy. That's his big boy right there. That guy's gets brand new. And I'll tell you what, when we do this silver here, I'm thinking we're going to do Mr. Metal on that and that. And I know it'll look, okay, it'll look really super metal silver. But if we do this upright, if we could do everything just perfect, it will look excellent. And that's Troy's big boy, and then we got Shadow's big boy. So we're doing both of them one time, plus we're doing our guy, the Cab Forward. Now, I know one of you guys at least asked me about the top. And the thing is, we are not reusing the top we got right here. This is what came on the Cab Forward. Somebody fabricated this, and they tried to reverse the locomotive so that it wasn't a Cab Forward. Nice try, but they gave up. They gave up, and that's how I got it, because I got it in, basically off the junk pile. I got it off the junk pile and train show. But now, okay, as far as weathering goes, I kind of think this is not terrible. I haven't taken it out yet, but it's got kind of a decent effect, sort of. We'll find out when we get it out, and we are gonna work with these two guys, and Troy has now committed. This is going to be a Loke sound. It's going to be this is going to be a Loke sound, big sound decoder. This one's going to be DC, and our Cab Forward is going to be DCC. I don't think he's going to get sound. I think he's just going to get a TCS decoder, something like that in there. But that's where we're at, and so far, our little fix here, right there, this little fix right there with the green wire and everything. See if I can get in there without shaking it. That little fix with the green wire works. Those cylinders, they work. That whole thing works. Now all I got to do really is cosmetic and camouflage this. I got to make it look a lot more like the other one. And that is where we're at. So I'm going to make it look a lot more like that. And that's pretty easy to do. We can do that. And we're in good shape on this. This thing is starting to turn out nice. And then we will start talking about what's going to be on top. The superstructure. What is going to be the superstructure? And I have to tell you right now, I'm going to show you, the superstructure could possibly, I know you steam guys, you might not. Check it out. There is one of the mighty 280s. This one here, he did get a merit award. But check him out, he's in all acrylic. Now this is an old, this is one we were just beginning working with acrylic. I think we can make a superstructure for the Cab Forward. And we're going to use this acrylic. Whatever it's going to be, it is going to be most excellently, wickedly awesome cool. I think that's how we're going to do it, because this is Cab Forward. Super easy. We put the cab up here. We can make a cab, no problem. It's like a full with the cab, and then all we need is a superstructure that is it's just got to be cool. That's what it's got to be. It's just got to be really, really super awesome looking, and that's how we're going to do it. And I think that's where we're going to go.